Welcome back, finance fans, to part 3 of a 7-part series discussing the most common financial goals and how to work towards achieving them. In this video, we will look at emergency funds. Why is it important to have an emergency fund? How much do you need? How to build it? And where to keep it? Having an emergency fund is essential for financial stability and peace of mind. Here are 3 reasons why it is a good idea to have an emergency fund. Protection against unexpected expenses. An emergency fund serves as a financial safety net, allowing individuals to cover unexpected costs without resorting to high-interest loans or credit cards. Common emergencies include medical or dental bills, urgent home repairs, car repairs, temporary loss of income, and emergency travel needs. These situations can arise suddenly and may disrupt your financial plans, making it crucial to have readily available funds. Mitigating financial stress. Having an emergency fund can significantly reduce financial stress during a crisis. Knowing that you have a dedicated sum of money set aside can provide peace of mind. It allows you to focus on resolving the issue at hand, rather than worrying about how to pay for it. This preparedness can help maintain mental well-being during challenging times. Flexibility in career choices. With an emergency fund in place, individuals can make more confident career decisions. For example, they may choose to leave a job they dislike or pursue entrepreneurial ventures without the constant worry of immediate financial instability. This flexibility could lead to more fulfilling career paths and opportunities for personal growth. To determine how much you should have in your emergency fund, consider the following factors. Start by calculating your monthly expenses. Review your monthly budget and determine how much you spend on essentials. Include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and any other necessary costs. Most financial advisors suggest saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. This amount provides a buffer against income shocks and unexpected expenses. Save 3 months of living expenses if you have a stable income, you are single with no kids, or if you are married with 2 stable incomes. Save 6 months of living expenses if you are self-employed. You have an irregular income, such as getting paid on commission, if you are married with 1 income, if you are a single parent, or if you have health issues. Here are 4 steps to build your emergency fund. Open a dedicated savings account. Choose a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This account should be easily accessible but distinct from your regular spending accounts to reduce the temptation to withdraw funds for non-emergencies. Look for accounts that offer competitive interest rates to help your savings grow over time. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund each payday. Automating this process ensures that you consistently contribute without having to think about it, making it easier to build your fund over time. Start small and be consistent. If saving a large amount seems daunting, start with smaller, manageable contributions. Setting aside $25 or $50 each week can accumulate significantly over time. The key is consistency. Every small contribution counts toward your goal. Replenish when necessary. If you need to use your emergency fund, prioritize replenishing it as soon as possible. This ensures that you remain prepared for future unexpected expenses. By following these steps, you can effectively build an emergency fund that provides financial security and peace of mind during unexpected situations. When deciding where to park your emergency fund, it is important to prioritize accessibility, safety, and the potential for earning interest. High-interest savings accounts offer competitive interest rates while providing easy access to your funds. They typically have no fees and allow for quick withdrawals, making them ideal for emergencies. Look for accounts that require no minimum balance and offer bonus interest for meeting certain conditions. Online savings accounts can provide higher interest rates compared to traditional banks due to lower overhead costs. They are insured, ensuring your funds are protected. While transfers may take a day or two, they still offer a good balance of access and interest growth. An offset account is linked to your mortgage and reduces the amount of interest you pay. This option allows you to access your funds quickly while also saving on mortgage interest payments, effectively serving as an emergency fund. Options to avoid for emergency funds. Term deposits lock your money away for a fixed term, making them unsuitable for emergencies where immediate access is needed. If you need to break your term deposit, penalties could apply. Stock market investments. The volatility of stocks mean they are not appropriate for emergency savings, as they may incur losses when you need the funds. An emergency fund is essential for managing life's unpredictability, reducing stress, avoiding debt, and enhancing overall financial security. Taking steps to build this fund is a proactive measure that provides financial support in times of need. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.